Hello, today we're going to be playing Undertale Yellow, but I have a bunch of these videos on that are all 1 hour interrupted by, something, and I'm going to be trying to play, of course, Undertale Yellow. But I'm gonna be putting all of these up. There are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. And, this is gonna be fun. We're gonna be trying to do neutral route, and, we'll just see how far I get. Let's just put all these on. Just put on all of these.
Huh?
They all went off. No. Okay, so let's start. Okay. See, yeah, things fine. You're doing cycle route. Everything is fine. Oh no. Kill was fine. Oh wait. Wait, no, I wasn't able to. Oh, but you can't even kill it, I remember. I was not focused. I think I was thinking too much. What? Minecraft? Oh, are you alright? Explain what's going on. I'm trying to blah blah blah. Unusual route. Okay. Owners are full puzzles. Yeah, okay. I don't care. Oh, there's a cat! Follow me, child. There are more puzzles ahead. Survival trigger several switches. Oh, splendid! I'm proud of you, my child. Should all be by now. I'm sure I will be clever. Don't worry, little one. Careful with the other switch. Okay. My child, are you alright? What was that? Dear, I'm afraid I can't reach you. But sleep for a moment. You'll stay here, will you not? I'm not gonna stay here, guys. Do you really think I'm gonna stay here? What was that? I don't know. Oh. It was not that, I swear. That was not fine. Cliff again. Oh my gosh, okay. I don't know what that was. I don't care. Howdy! I'm Flowey! Flowey the flower. It's like a pretty confident person. I shouldn't hold you here all day, should I? Wouldn't want to be dangerous. Let you go. But you should not this at least. King Asgore is responsible for. What was that? King Asgore is responsible for everything. So for that.
As I'm in the midst of applying for residency right now,
What?
wish me luck, Grammarly has again been a lifesaver with my application in helping me write my personal statement and CV. Grammarly is your digital writing assistant. It's an all-in-one tool that improves your productivity, triple checks your work, and saves you time when working on multiple assignments. Even the free features are incredible. You can set your own writing goals, track your word count, and even find new words to replace your overused ones using the synonym feature. I personally love using Grammarly.
Tell us these things will be there.
Liberty Mutual customized my car insurance, and I saved hundreds. With all the money I saved, I thought I'd buy stilts. Being so tall definitely has its advantages. Here you go, kiddo.
Thanks.
Huh?
Hi, honey. Ready to go?
Yep.
Another ad. I'm just gonna leave because I think it's funnier.
I guess it also has some disadvantages.
Yes, it does.
It's just funnier like that.
Only
with an
pay
ad.
for what you need.
Liberty, 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 liberty.
Kill it. It's Waluigi. by Taco Bell. Oh my gosh. Death by Taco Bell. So we're gonna be doing this, so no, we're not killing everyone. Because they're kind of like meta flatly, not gonna lie. Oh, okay. Nice. Okay, I'm gonna play this again. Oh, I forgot how to do this. This is horrible. Oh, wait. Okay. This may take a while. Hold on. What is that? Probably one. Okay, Dolb. Pop off, Dolb. Hello! I'm happy to finally meet you face to face. How long has it been? I was waiting for you to ever come. No!
Huh?
I just killed a Pikmin! Oh, too forward. Who am I kidding? I'll never be able to meet you in this state. I just hope you know. I had no choice. I must be this way. Huh? Oh, I must be seeing things. That is perfect. Huh? That was an encounter. My goodness, bro. Scream. Hi, Flowey. Honey, I see you're still in one piece. You saw that wooden, right? Do you want to get out here and help go through him? He shouldn't be a problem, though. If he is, that's why I'm here. Yeah, it is. 20 minutes already? What was in that other room? Goodbye. I feel hurt. What was in that other room? Oh, the lemonade. Yeah. No. I won't. Oh, what? That sucks. Okay, fine. Okay, we're double saved now. We're only 20 minutes in? My goodness. Okay. Yikes. This is where you get a lot of encounters. Ooh. It's not me.
Huh?
What is going on? Why is every sound effect happening? Oh my gosh, you know, maybe I'll get spared just for that. You know what, I'm gonna spare her just because that happened. I'll spare her just because I missed that, so rules, if I missed an attack, then I spared them. I know, I'm so nice. Oh, hi Yoshi.
Huh?
Oh goodness, I cannot. Why is good at this game? Okay, fine, you're getting spared. Apparently I'm not very good at this game. I thought I was. I'm just not, I guess. Oh, why can't I always spare? There we go. Any of those Discord notifications, they're not mine. Per of the video. Oh my gosh. There's two of them. That looks like the oxygen creature combined with a winged Pikmin.
Huh?
Yeah, I know. I'm confused too. What is that? What is that? Okay, fine, you're getting spared. Oh, never mind, I just forgot. Yeah, that's what I say whenever I get a double sweet corn encounter. I also go like, yeah! That's how I feel when I get a double sweet corn encounter. Cool. What was that sound? It was Waluigi. And that too. Oh my gosh. Doing great, sweetie. I just... Okay. Yeah, sure. What? Hug. Hugs. Oh, that's sweet. No one has come up in a while. Megalovania. Oh, that was weird. Is that video even playing? I mean, I'd assume it is. I just... Can't wait for it to come up. It'd be really funny. No, we're not doing that route. Be quiet. Just gonna hold down my actions. Oh, oh. What is this? Why do you think I feel every time I start monologuing? I need more rest. One shot. Not the game, but one shot is a great game. What? One shot is a great game, but like, I didn't mean it like that. Oh, that's still. I'm honestly amazed how that's still like even counted. What is that? Okay, I didn't mean word, I meant sound. This is really weird. That's also an odd sound. Yikes. Wowie! Wowie, help me! I've already spared some people, it's okay. Yes. Ooh, just about time. I'm gonna hurt Decibad because I would feel bad about that. good. Yikes. You see, that proves that we are on neutral ground. Haha. Yep. Why is my arena not come up? I'm just gonna check that real quick, just to see if it, like... Oh my goodness, why did they stop? Wait, they stopped? Why did they do that? It's unfair. Maybe you can't have, like, this many videos playing at once. That's definitely been playing. So I may need to do this every now and then, because it appears that it sometimes shuts off like that. Okay, yeah, that definitely works. Declare an honorary sentinel of silence. I trust you to keep peace and order here. Oh. I shall go conquer new lands in the name of glory. This is a very high honor, so keep it hush, hush. Okay, I can't tell if that was part of the game or not. Was that part of the game? I don't know. Howdy. Seem to be doing well. Yeah, we have diamonds. Not that I thought you would, but it's nice to be prepared. Okay. No. What? Oh, no, my controls are fine. I don't know, I just forgot how to play this game. Why did I think my controls were messed up? I just forgot how to play this game. No, I want to save now so I can heal. Look, I can heal. I want heals. Oh my gosh, and then we get another encounter in the same spot. Does that make sense? Man, we're cooking. Oh no, not this puzzle. Okay. Oh no, a Pikmin just died. Oh no, that's not good. Oh, never mind, this puzzle is actually... Oh my goodness, I game. I'm a gamer. Sound effects have not come up. Let me just check that they're still, like, working. Yep. Just check that all is still going and doing their thing. Yup. Well, Waluigi's still... Check. No. Get back. Yeah, it's going. It's definitely going. Anyways. Well, it's definitely working now. That's nice, I guess. What was that? Derek, you good? Uh, I don't know who you are, but I ask you. Please leave. Haha, no. is still...
Huh?
Oh, okay. You're still following me. Pigman! Huh? Still following me? That time made clear that I want to be left alone. I don't understand. You look just like them. Is this some sort of comment? Or have you come to finish the job? Retreating here wasn't enough, so you hunted me down. Right? What? And I was just starting to accept my reality, the cruelty. I feel bad even, like, approaching him at this point. He just wants to be left alone. Oh! Pikmin's screaming because there was a creep. Whatever I did to you that day was not my intention. I was only... Never mind, words aren't enough. I don't want to fight anybody, but you've invaded my home. Oh. He's cooking Taco Bell. The exit is blocked and you can't stay here. I'll not allow it. The one thing to do now. Bros. Adventure time. Adventure time, we'll see. What the heck? I'm not gonna fight him. I don't want to fight him. That would be mean. I would not do that to him. Okay, doll. Yeah. Just leave the way. Enter the game. That would be easy for both of us. Oh. We have some, goat. Oh, okay. Some, goats. Some sheep. Come inside. Adolph's Waluigi. There really exists references. Why did I... This song is so hard. This is such a good song. Let's turn it up even more because I just like it very much. I noticed that somehow you found me. It's going to make things difficult, but I'm not counting away this time. Oh. Okay. That's kind of... Not much I just did touch them as well. Like, very much to keep up with their activity.
Huh?
Alright. The roots of my home. My home has rules. The residents understand that. Seems as if you never got the memo. Nado, you kept saying ignoring my wishes. What's with that sad face? Can you understand? Don't you remember me? No, I don't. It's a bit confused. What is that? Why does that keep on happening? Okay. Stop. I know you're in feeling, but no, it isn't possible. You look so helpless, different, but isn't it right? Doll, I love you. I love you, doll. You're the best doll. I love you, doll. Doll, I love you. We don't have to fight. No, you're trying to hurt me. Exactly! I just said that. You are. Okay, anyways, Subi, are you being so foolish? Come on, guys, I really do. I know, man. I don't know how I can make things right now. You don't. Don't, you're the best. Oh, you're so nice. Oh, wait. You're stupid, girl. want me to shake your hand? Even after I wrongfully attacked you? But that is the sign of friendship. You're a human, right? Is it the same where you come from? I'm not sure. I didn't ever expect to meet another human, let alone befriend them. Don't get me wrong, I'd love to have a friend. I mean, I think. I don't really remember what that entails. Oh, I guess I'll give it a shot if you will. If you will. Oh yeah, Dolph. What do friends do, actually? Do you want to, see my house or something? I have to go there anyway, so I guess stop by if you have time. I would love to, Dolph. You're the best. Nice job, kid. I bet your conscience feels lighter. Making friends is a good way of getting through. It's a good way of getting through here. Avoiding conflict, keeping yourself safe. I get that. We just started and you've already befriended me and him. We're the popular one. By the way, if you want to explore more for relationship matters, I removed all my save points besides this one from here. No use in going back there. I'll be at this one. And this one only until you want to leave. See you later. Yes. Seems like you took your time. Don't worry, I'm used to sitting around by my room, so I keep cleaning art. I keep myself occupied by cleaning around the house. It's my hourly routine. Hourly? I have to fix something. Okay. Let me just check that the sounds are still going after this cutscene, but alright, I know you're probably usually done. Feel free to stay as long as you like. Just let me just check. Is it like still? No one going. This stopped. This stopped too. That stopped. Seems to be the most functional one. Why these just stop? But, anyways. I don't exactly have a huge selection of food. I don't get out much. Oh wait, I have some left for you to take with you. I hope you like it. I made for my birthday. Spent cake is my favorite. Spent cover and frosting. Take it? Yeah. Sorry I didn't invite you. It was last week. You can come next year. That's so nice. Say hi to Pops. Hey, would you mind giving Pops a space? He likes the dark. Wave goodbye to Pops before closing the door again. Coloring! Yay! You like those? Those are my project. I took make sure to write books like for kids and stuff. That's so nice! Tables covered in colors and pencil pages. With cute pictures. Sometimes kind of forget what colors things are outside this place, so I just make them up. I think that makes me find more interesting than that anyways. Oh, okay. Waluigi got hit by a metal pipe apparently. And that too. I hope he has educational now. Oh, okay. Let's look at something else, okay? No! Put it in! Put me in! Okay, fine. Oh, the cutscene is just considered Dolph getting into his place. Like, okay. Oh. You're ready to leave? Yeah. So you want, I'll lead the way. Oh, here we are. Thank you for everything. You have really helped me out. Because of this, I'm going to be more friendly. I'm going to be the mentor I always should have been. Panilla and I will draw together. Roram could spice up my wardrobe. Crispy Scroll can show me that anime thing. Please watch Hunter x Hunter and Mob Psycho 100 and Psyche K. Anyways, I thought of leaving, but why leave when I have a great family right here? Plus, I really let the place go. A week of non-stop cleaning is in order. Well, I should get you out of here. Oh, seems the X is blocked off. Let's see. Oh, he just ripped that off. Bro is strong. Oh, you're all set. Oh, before I forget, the rest of your name. And for me, Clover. Clover? What a nice name. Well, Clover, you should get going. Goodbye, friend. That's so sweet. I love Dolph. He's the best. We're probably gonna get to the start of Snowden and then save and quit. Yeah. Thanks, Waluigi. Or maybe at least see Martlet at least once. I wanna see Martlet. I like Martlet. Why was it on me? Howdy! Congratulations on being rid of those old rooms for good. You couldn't even go back to what you now. Some thought of fresh air exciting. Well, don't get ahead of yourself. You're still in the underground. Won't be anywhere near your fancy surface air for a while. Now let's get moving from the Hellspace. Hop to it, bud. So, what was your name again? It's me, Gunhab. Hey, pal.
Huh?
Gunhab. Just a bit of frostbite. Yeah, it's nothing to be afraid of. Just some frostbite. Okay, that's it for now. Okay. Goodbye.